Rasa, you're the star of the show, okay? Don't let nobody tell you otherwise.
Let's talk a little bit about what the no-goes are if you are hosting a holiday party.
Belly
Like,
full?
what can you not do? Okay, so
Like, he's so spoiled, he can't take his time and eat the crickets. How many are you feeding him?
Depending on what he's eating, because usually sometimes he's not eating much. Sometimes I eat up to like 30 depending on the size.
Oh, wow.
One in one go.
That's what I'm allergic to. That's what you can't have. I can't have that. I can't have anything that may contain that.
It's right here, dude.
So I'm a nightmare to invite over because there's so many things that they may contain.
Cat belly. Cut your big belly.
I'd make everything peanut free for you, but yes, you've got to talk about this. You really do, because there's so many times I'll go over and I go, I don't think I did that. Can I read the label? So, and I actually very often say, hey, why don't I just put something?
Hi.
You don't have to worry about it. That's
He's looking at me.
So you're a good person to invite over as well, because you will actually bring your own dish that you do.
I like the ones like with the colors. The bearded dragon, like the colored one.
He has like a brown orange thing, but no, he's like, it looks dull because it's shedding. It's
Yeah.
shed too. I saw a pink one recently.
When I found out you guys got one, I was like, yes.
Yeah.
So I can actually see one in person. Because I actually like them, you know.
Yeah.
It's just that they're in Jamaica, they're not. It's not a possibility. You know what I mean? Like having, because I don't think they're in Jamaica. There are barely dragons in Jamaica. At least I don't think so. I just think they're cool pets.
I don't think people would. Well, maybe the up top people in America. But
Yeah.
because
But they'd be cool as a pet.
yeah.
I like pets like these. Like outside of like the typical dog.
Yeah.
It's just interesting.
I think there's popular here too.
Yeah.
The geckos or croaking into me.
Yeah. I like.
Oops, too much. See, he's trying not to get away and go fast.
And I feel like we're getting there more and more in society. Understanding the mocktails as important as the cocktails, so have some fun and don't just give them, you know, a jar of water. Yeah, or knock yourself out, here's a pop. Yeah, right? Yeah, right, okay. Okay, let's talk a little bit about some of the other things you should not be doing as a host. Okay, so this is gonna, you guys are gonna get mail on this.
But there was also one that went underneath the rock, I think.
Under the wood?
Yeah.
I'll get him in a sec.
Hi guys, guess where we are? We're in Canada, people. And I know you guys know this, but you would have seen like the last vlog that I posted, my travel with me vlog. But this is my first proper day in Canada, and it's raining. I don't know how I feel about that because when I left Jamaica it was raining. And now rain. Again, you want to say hi to the vlog?
What's up?
This is my brother, my older brother. And we're going to get me a jacket because I don't own one. And it's going to be freezing in a couple days. It's going to be in the negatives by Saturday. So I need to get a jacket. Yeah. So, I'm going to get a jacket. Whew. Oh, I forgot to plug up my phone. I forgot to plug up my phone. Today's what's the temperature? 5?
Yeah.
It's currently 5 and people are just walking around in a hoodie, right? I don't know why in my head I thought 5 would be like freezing, but it's really not. It's pretty comfortable. It just feels like you're in a very cold office.
Like one time?
I'll probably like shop there for like my Jamaica stuff.
Or like, you know, like t-shirts or whatever?
Yeah.
They have good t-shirts.
Yeah, so I think I might just shop there for my Jamaica stuff, like maybe jeans or like shirts and stuff.
Yeah.
But clearly, we went to 2 stores just now and no jacket. No jacket. Very limited. I thought there would be like so many more options. I'm like,
because it's winter, they sell out too. So.
oh, they sell out.
Fast, yeah.
At least I can find some more clothes because I was worried.
Yeah.
So at least I know I can buy some stuff.
This is not really summer clothes like that because probably shorts probably not really out in some of these stores.
Like, you know, like the t-shirts and
Yeah.
like the simple stuff.
Yeah.
But no jacket. We're gonna go to Costco. Found the jacket. Wait, does it have pockets, Brian? Only here. Right here. I wish it was like, you know?
Yeah.
But looks good. Hey y'all, so I've hardly been vlogging. It's Friday. I've been here since Tuesday night, so that's how many days I've been here. I've hardly been vlogging, but I kind of knew this was gonna happen. You know, being around family or kind of like enjoying family, so I haven't been like vlogging that much. Plus, I mean, for the past couple days I haven't really done much outside of just been spending time with my family and getting a jacket, because I didn't own a jacket before. So I got a jacket, and we've just been like on the road doing family stuff, you know, nothing major, so I just didn't vlog it. But tonight, remember I told you guys that I'm gonna be seeing my best friend, but she doesn't know I'm here? Well, tonight is the night that she finds out that her girl, okay, is here. So that's pretty exciting. I'm actually also meeting Darnell for like the first time, so you guys are gonna see Darnell as well. We are like Instagram friends, and we have a lot of mutual friends here in Jamaica, or mutual colleagues, or people that we know, mutual whatever, you get the point. You get the point. But yeah, I'm gonna meet him today as well, so it's gonna be like a nice little link up with me, him, my best friend, and her boyfriend. I don't think I'm gonna be vlogging that much tonight, but I'm probably gonna vlog the museum, because we're going to the museum first, the Museum of Ontario, and then after that I'm gonna have a dinner at 9 o'clock with my best friend, and that's where I'm surprising her, so she doesn't know I'm here. And the dinner, I don't think I'm gonna be vlogging as much. I might show you guys the vibe of the place and everything, but I don't think I'll be vlogging like a lot. I don't think so, because I'm just gonna be like all up in my friends trying to have like a good time, you know. And when you kind of in the moment, you don't really want to ruin it by pulling out your phone and like videoing everything, you know. It kind of ruins things. So this trip I'm gonna try my best to vlog as much as I can. I know a lot of the times I probably won't, but I'm gonna try to at least give you guys, you know, quality vlogs and show you guys what I'm up to, you know, to the best of my ability, without you know, feeling like I'm not able to enjoy my time. I'm finally going to finish my hair. No, my hair is not done. As you can see, it's even getting knotted here. Don't worry, I've kind of been wearing it in like a bun thing, so it doesn't really show that much that it looks like this. So I'm gonna finish the last of my locks, and then I will finally be fully locked. How long has my hair been like this? Like over a week. I think it's over a week, and this is very normal for me. Like, if back in the day when I did my locks the last time, if I was a YouTuber then, you guys would have realized and seen how long it took me to lock my hair. It takes me a while because I procrastinate, and then I'm just like, I can't bother. All the things. As you can see, it's all fuzzy already, which I like. I like my locks fuzzy. I don't like my locks neat. It's not really my style, because I just sleep on it. I don't wrap it, I don't do anything to it. I just lock my hair and go. The fuzzier it is, the better. That's just how I like my locks, and I think that's why a lot of people always end up liking my locks, because they look very natural. So yeah, but I'm gonna finish it now. I'm in the bathroom. I brought the hair with me. I took all the hair out of the package and just brought it with me. So I'm gonna finish them now, because I have my outing tonight. Kinda don't know what I'm wearing because I haven't really gone shopping yet, so I have nothing that's both stylish and warm, you know. You guys saw what I packed. I didn't pack much. I just packed like sweaters and stuff to keep me warm. So I'm gonna have to figure that out because I don't think I'm gonna be able to go to the mall today before I go out. So y'all wish me luck. Very nice. Darnell, tell the vlog hi.
Hi guys.
If they can hear you.
I don't know if you can hear me, but hi.
Hi.
Welcome to Canada.
It's cold as shit.
It really is.
This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Can I sit here?
Hi bestie.
I sent it to you, yes.
And it's warm in here.
No, you're vlogging. Yes, I am vlogging.
Yeah.
Not you being in my vlog. That's But yes, it's kind of ironic that we end up here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was like, guys, Kat, I want to go here.
Crazy.
Not you, Sylvan. Morning, guys. Oh my god, I have not been vlogging. But I told you guys this was gonna happen. But last night I saw my best friend and I saw Darnell and we linked up. It was such a good time. I didn't vlog much. You guys would have seen the clip from when I surprised her and just little snippets from last night, but I didn't vlog anything outside of the surprise part. But it was a really good night. It was so much fun. I'm happy and she was so happy. She cried. We both cried. But so now it's actually snowing today and this is my first time seeing snow. It started snowing this morning because we had to pick my mom up from the airport, and by the time we got home and we were in the house ready for bed, it started snowing, and that was about 4 a.m. 3:30 to 4 a.m. So yeah, it's snowing outside right now and I'll show you guys later. But it's snowing outside right now and it's cold in the house. But yeah, something to get used to. But I think later I'm supposed to be going to the Christmas market with Vanessa and Darnell, so we're gonna coordinate and do that a little later. And then tomorrow I have a family dinner, which I'm probably not gonna be vlogging, but I'm gonna try and vlog tonight though, so bear with me. If I don't vlog a lot, it's because, you know, I'm trying to enjoy like my friends and my family, you know. So Yeah. So I'm getting ready to go out with Vanessa, and I'm trying to figure out my outfit. One of the main things about being here is kind of like figuring out my outfits and just coordinating things, you know, because I have to do a lot of layering sometimes, like when the days are really cold, and today's one of those days when it's cold. I think the temperatures is -1 to -4 for today, so -4 is like the coldest it's gonna be. I don't know what temperature it is right now outside, but this is what I think I'm gonna wear. I got this sweatsuit set from Studio 27. I'm gonna link them in the description box below. This is my friend's brand, and her stuff are beautiful. Like, it's a very like minimalistic Jamaican type brand, so all of her things are like black and white and very simple minimal designs, but very Jamaican, and I like it. Very Afrocentric as well, some of the pieces. So she sent me this, which is like a sweatsuit set. It has the S symbol on this, the pants, and then like the Jamaica shape on the breast pocket, which is really cute. I tucked in the sweats to kind of give it like a nice cleaner look, because the sweats is oversized, which I like, because in winter you don't really wear your size, you kind of wear things oversized because you're layering. Underneath this, I have on a pair of leggings, a tank top, and my socks, which is over my leggings, and then I have this on over it. So I also got this hat from Zara. I ordered it and sent it to to my brother's house almost a month ago. I saw it and I saw all the girls in this hat, and I had to get it, so I shipped it. It's my first time wearing it out. I think I'm gonna wear it with this outfit because I'm wearing all black. I went through the mittens that my brother and my sister had, and I found these. It's very cold, so it's good to have like mittens with you just to put your hands in, and I thought I would wear these because it's black and white. So I'm kind of just trying to see if if this outfit makes sense. I think it should be fine. I think I should be warm with my jacket. I'm gonna put on my jacket and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what I'm gonna look like. I think this looks nice. These are my boots that I'm gonna wear, but I think this is what I'm wearing. I feel like the brown hat looks random, but I don't know, I really want to wear my hat, so I'm gonna wear my hat. But this is the outfit. I think I look warm. She looks warm. Purr.
Judge me for my steel strap.
It's okay. It's fine.
This bitch not holding her chopsticks, right?
Do you like it? We out here in the streets. You know, my phone's freezing and all. Hey. You know how long Vanessa needs to make it to the vlog? Like, come on, man. It's far too long.
I've been telling you to vlog from a long time, so technically it's you that's late. But I made it.
Yes.